loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time I post a new video. Now, as you can tell by the title, your girl tried out Urban Skin RX for 2 weeks and documented everything. So, what happened was I broke out of nowhere. It was insane. The side of my cheeks had so many breakouts. On my forehead, it was just everywhere. The entire team of pimples were like, we're about to camp out on Key's face. Like, come on, bring a friend. So what led me to this idea to try out Urban Skin RX for 2 weeks consistently as a routine was that in the past, a friend of mine that works for Urban Skin RX sent over some of their products because I am obsessed with their cleansing bar that I have been using on and off like throughout the years. I really love that product and I got a chance to try a few others. However, when I tried them, I was trying it inconsistently, like here and there. I never really tried everything as a strict routine, but this specific scenario calls for very special measures. So I went to my local Ulta and Target. Some of the products were sold out at the specific locations I went to, so they are pretty hot. You know, it's kind of a secret, but not really. It's like that gem. If you know about it, you know. But we're going to go through it together, and you guys can see the journey that I had to go through. So the first thing I'll be using is their Even Tone Cleansing Bar 3-in-1 treatment. This is a cleanser, mask, and exfoliator. As you can see, it comes with these 2 pads that instantly turn into face sponges once it's dampened with water. They are reusable. It is recommended to let your sponge air dry, and after a couple of uses, you toss it into your laundry to keep it clean. And I just had to show you guys this lather. It produces such a rich and moisturizing lather, which I love on my skin. Okay, so what you want to do is gently massage the pad onto your face in circular motions. And the really cool thing about this bar is if you feel like you need a quick little mask treatment, you can keep this on for about 2 to 3 minutes and it will do so for you. So what I like to do is just squeeze out that extra lather that remains in the pad and just rub it on, kind of layering the product onto my face and letting that dry. I'm just demonstrating this for you guys because this is what I did on a few days throughout my 2-week journey. But I will show you the mask that I used for this day. But if you don't want to do the mask treatment, you just rinse your face off with some water, rinse out your pad, and let that air dry. Alright, so on this specific day, I chose to use their Acne and Blemish Control Mask. You want to apply this to clean skin and just apply a thin layer all over and let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's recommended to use this mask only 1 to 2 times a week. The texture of this mask is really thick and creamy, and boy is it minty. Your face will feel a very cooling sensation, and this mask helps to fight acne, prevents future breakouts, and improves the appearance of dark spots left behind due to acne. So I really liked using this. And I sticked to the instructions, so I only use this for about 1 to 2 times a week. Again, I have used this mask in the past. I feel like it really gets the job done and it leaves your skin feeling so soft. Alrighty, so next thing up is the Clear and Even Tone Clarifying Glyconic Pads. Y'all, I love these so much. So after you're finished cleansing, you want to wipe this moist pad over your face, and you can use this 1 to 2 times daily. And I was really impressed with how gentle these were. However, on some days when my skin felt like it was just too much going on or too tight, I only used it once a day. So definitely test it out and see what works best for you. On their website, it states that this is powered by 7.5% glycolic acid, and that helps to remove excess oil and improve the look of blemishes and the post-acne dark marks. So once that is dry, we can follow up with a serum. I will be using their Even Tone Super Glow Serum. It comes with a dropper as well, and you only need 4 to 6 drops of this. You can use it 1 to 2 times a day, and you can apply it to your face and neck. I really enjoyed how it made my skin feel. This is like such a silky, smooth serum, and the glow that it gave me every time, y'all, I was obsessed. And it states that this product does help to improve the appearance of dark spots, sun damage, and signs of aging. And your girl is getting older, so this is definitely a must-have for me. Okay, last but certainly not least, you cannot forget your moisturizer with SPF. So if you don't have a 2-in-1 and you use your own moisturizer, please make sure you use an SPF, especially if you're using the pads and the serum. You just have to make sure you're protecting your skin when you're using products that help to fade dark spots due to the ingredients in them. This moisturizer was nice in my opinion. It was very light. I did not see any white cast or anything like that. However, I did switch it up at nighttime, and I would also opt with a thicker and more creamier moisturizer when it was nighttime. I really liked First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream. Okay, so this is a completely different day. Again, I want to demonstrate the products that I used and how I use them. This is their Even Tone Resurfacing at-home peel pads. It is recommended to use these 1 to 2 times per week with a minimum of 3 days in between each use. So that is what I did because I did not want to mess up my skin, okay? So I made sure to read the instructions very carefully, and they do state that you should not rinse off this mask unless your skin is stinging for more than 3 to 5 minutes. And this helps to improve the appearance of uneven skin tone, blemishes, fine lines, and pore size. So now I'm going to show you guys how my skin was transforming itself throughout this 2-week process. As the days went by, I noticed a very visible glow. My skin felt softer. It just felt dewy and plump. I really like how my skin felt, and the glow was just, chef's kiss. And once my pimples disappeared, I was so happy. However, they did leave a mark, and as the days went on, I noticed that my dark spots were looking darker, and I was a bit confused. So I went to my good old Google, and according to dermahealth.store, they state that active treatment accelerates cell turnover, pulling pigment cells to the surface at a faster rate. This increases the concentration of melanin in the epidermis, creating a temporary darkening of the spots. So the darkening is what you want to see. It means the pigment is coming up and is ready to be shed away. So that definitely made me feel a little better. And I personally have dealt with dark spots in the past. If you guys watch my videos, you can see that for yourself. And typically it takes 1 to 2 months for you to really see a difference. So yes, trust the process, y'all. Also, I want to describe my skin as being normal, at least during this stage. Typically, when it gets really cold outside, my skin is more on the dry side. However, when I did this, my skin was normal, and it is sensitive, so I was really surprised that I did not have any real issues when it came to the products. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. And again, listen to your skin. You don't want to go above the number that they state you can use a product, but for example, if I felt like my skin felt a little on the dry side, instead of using the pad twice a day, I'd use it once a day. So definitely listen to your skin as well. And I was really happy with this glow. Inserts cute baby dance from TikTok, if you know what I mean. Alrighty, so now time for my final thoughts. Overall, I was pleasantly surprised by these products. Within 1 week, my pimples were gone. They were just poof, gone. As far as dark spots go, not gonna lie, they were looking brighter as time went by, and I clarified that a little bit throughout the video. But I do know that dark spots do not just happen, instantly. So it does take some time for them to fade. So typically I would wait about 1 to 2 months to really see the results. And the products I did use throughout this journey does promote even skin tone. However, on Urban Skin RX's website, they do have a retinol rapid repair and dark spot treatment and a even tone smooth and glow enzyme mask. So personally, I think I would add add those products within my routine to really target the dark spots. And as far as my favorite products go, I would definitely recommend their Even Tone Cleansing Bar. It is a 3-in-1 treatment, so I feel like you get a lot of bang for your buck. I also really enjoyed their clarifying glycolic pads. I just really enjoyed using this, and on a daily use, it did not cause like any irritation to my skin, so loved that. Lastly, I would recommend their Even Tone Super Glow Serum. Do want to say if you're sensitive to smells or you don't like citrus smells, you may not like this. It could be a little off-putting to some. To me, I got used to it over time, but it's not my favorite smell when it comes to skincare. However, the benefit of this is just, it's worth it to me. Whenever I put this on, I have an instant glow. I really like how my skin looks after it, and I like how it feels as well. So yes, these were my top 3 favorite products. Overall, I was really pleased with the products that I used. I'm really happy with my results thus far. I do plan on incorporating more of their products to target my dark spots. If you guys want to see updates on that, let me know in the comment section below and smash that like button. And before I go, I do want to say that I struggled with severe acne as an adolescent up to my young adult years. And as you can see, I am humbled every now and then. And it's not just about the products at all. You want to make sure you're drinking a lot of water, eating healthy, and even for me, I have on makeup right now and it's clean makeup. So I'm trying to make better steps that can improve my overall lifestyle. With all that being said, just have faith. It will get better. Your face will clear up. And just know that you are more than your acne. So continue being you. Shine through that acne, okay? Your face will clear up. Don't worry. Don't worry. So that is it. That is all. Stay blessed, and I will see you guys very shortly in my next video.